welcome to 3 Points, 3 Points of Light Angel Sanctuary. Just want to give you a free preview of what's going on here. Look at this garden! Amber, what's up, girl? And I'm here with our very good friend here and local Ralph Barke. And we had an interview with him earlier this week that was short and beautiful and very informative. And now, yes, your doggy is here, honey. Charlie! And here he is back after thinking about it. He has more to share about how the future, the past, and the present are all here, happening at the same time. And it's all about how we were raised up thinking that what we thought was reality wasn't really the truth. And so he's going to explain it to you in a much more scientific, beautiful, and very smart way. So here we go. Let me get you switched over. Oh, I can't switch you over. So you're going to have to look into the camera. Do I have it?
Yep. Yeah, as I was telling Jeanette, that there's things that are happening to everybody, and it's called miracles are happening. And this miracle, it ain't a miracle, it's things that are happening all the time.
And just so you know, see that little dot right there? That's the camera. So you're talking to the audience, talking to that dot.
But what the repulsive forces, like I say, in the empty space, we can't go nowhere. They say we went to the moon. We went out of the Earth's atmosphere. We can't, because it's true. The sun gives off flares, solar flares that'll kill you, and they're happening all the time. But it ain't hit the Earth directly yet. But there's billions and trillions of stars out there, and with that there's billions and trillions of flares all over the place, traveling at 700,000 miles an hour and faster, and millions of miles wide, and happening trillions of times all the time. So the whole space is electric and deadly. We can only leave here by another dimension, and how that happens to be through quantum mechanics, which has been proven to be valid. Now, to say how it is that with repulsive forces in empty space causes objects to be separated by a distance proportionately separating them. This means that objects separated by a greater than a certain distance will be moving apart faster from one another than the speed of light. Now, that's exceeding it. That's anything's possible then, because that's just life as we know it, and we've been duped and lied to so long. It's a wonder that it's a thing called the awakening, and I hope this helps bring a little more of awakening.
Now, could you repeat what you said in the last video? The last video, that was like, what, a minute and a half or so? And I know you have it memorized, so I'm going to get rid of that other video because it was way too windy and there was interruptions. So we're going to, if you could restate that wisdom here, because that's what started it off. Okay. Do you remember what it was?
Yep.
Go ahead, please.
Okay, now based on what I just said about expansion of the universe, well, you remember that when I said time mathematically in itself, not time, but it'd be life too. Life and time mathematically in itself and in its own true nature flows equally without relation to anything external. So far as time and space are only a mode by which we think in, and it's not a condition in which we live. We suffer a lot of things called cognitive intuition. You can see things before it happens, but that's part of the universe that we were brought in, and we're supposed to be at that stage now. But we've been dumped back because we've been dumbed down by learning fake history, fake everything. So here we are. Now we've time to waken up, and welcome to this world.
Thank you, Ralph. Wonderful. Okay. Thank you, guys. And that was Ralph's wisdom for 3 Points, Arizona. 3 Points of Lights, Arizona. Love you guys. Bye.